Hello friends, welcome to one more video, competency of contract. This is also very important question and it is asked in January 15, December 13 and October 15. ATKT students, please view this video that it will guarantee you more marks. Let us see this video in details. First, capacity of contract means competency of the party to enter into a valid contract. The party must be competent to enter into the contract. Now, who can be competent to enter into the contract? This is defined in section 11. Friends, student, you have to write down such section number wherein you will get more marks. Once again, who can be competent to enter into a contract? It means every person who must have age of majority and a sound mind, and last, he must not be disqualified by law. Such persons are known as competent to enter into the contract. Exactly opposite, who are not competent to enter into the contract. The person who must not be a minor, unsound mind and disqualified by the law. Next thing, rules for minor agreement. According to Indian Majority Act 1875, who is known as minor? A person who has not completed 18 years of age and 21 years of age if by guardian, according to Guardian and Ward Act 1890 and a court of ward. Next, minor may not be able to understand the legal implication of his contract on his own. Therefore, for his own interest and to protect him, law has given certain privileges to minor. That any contract with minor is void from the very beginning. Position of minor. An agreement with minor is void ab initio. It has no legal existence because it is null and void and has no legal effect. In case of Mori Bibi versus Dharmodar Das Ghosh, students, friends, you have to write down the case study wherein you will get more marks. Let us see another point. Minor agreement can't be ratified or corrected by on attaining the age of majority. It means once the minor has become major, all the contract he has done as minor are or cannot be ratified. First, let us see an example. If a minor buys some goods and he does not pay, then on attaining such majority, that contract cannot be enforced because this promisor is void. Next, minor can't be asked to pay compensation under a void act. If a minor obtains a loan or a mortgage on his property cannot be made liable to debt. He is not liable to refund contract, and as he is minor, he cannot be asked to enter into compensation. Next point, a minor can be a promisee. It means any contract it is done for his benefit is valid. And as he is unable to enter into contract, therefore he cannot be promisor, but he can be a promisee to the contract. A minor can derive or obtain any benefit under a contract, but is not liable to perform in the contract. Next point, fifth point. Minor can always plead minority. A minor can say that he is minor, and if he makes any misrepresentation by saying he is major and enters into agreement, he can escape from his liability by arguing his minority. It means whenever something happens, he can always say, I am a minor and I am not liable. Sixth point, there can be no specific performance because the contract is void from the very beginning, ab initio. Therefore, a void contract need not be performed. Seventh point, a minor is always liable for necessary supplied or rendered to him or to his dependent. This is only in case of necessary like survival, medicines or for medical help. It is a quasi contract. It is because he has received benefit, he has to pay. He is not applicable for luxury. If an iPhone has been given to a minor, then it is not necessary and he is not liable to compensate. 8 point. A minor cannot be declared insolvent. How can he be declared insolvent? Because he is not having the capacity of entering into contracting debt, as such contract are void from the very beginning. Next point, a minor cannot enter into a contract of partnership. Same rule applies, but he can be beneficiary and can be admitted into partnership for his benefit, provided all the partners have given the consent. 10th point, a minor can be an agent, as in this case he is just a connecting link and does not enter into contract on his own, but he enters into contract on behalf of principal. Therefore minor can be an agent. His parents and guardians are not liable for the contract entered by minor. For more important point, please see our next update. Students, friends, please refer this video during exam and for better result, and share this to your brothers and sisters, and so they can also get good marks.